Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to resolve Snapchat filters not working problem. So now let's get started. If Snapchat filters are not working, try the steps to fix the issue. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. After this, make sure that Snapchat has the camera permissions. Simply go to Settings and navigate to Apps. Now search for Snapchat and make sure that Snapchat has camera permissions. After this, disable VPN or fake location apps. If you are using a VPN or GPS spoofing app, turn it off as it might interfere with Snapchat filters. Another step is reinstalling the Snapchat app. Simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again from the Play Store. If nothing works, reach out to Snapchat support. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.